Toca Life Stable. Ah, yeah. Episode 7. Okay, Princess, come on. Yep, we are going camping because we won the race. We deserve it. Woo! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Here we are. Okay, Princess, I'm just going to put this over here. And I'm going to put my bag there. Okay, here we are. So what do you want to do first, Princess? Swimming? Okay. Let's put my swimming suit on. And you take your clothes, take your stuff off. There we go. Jump in the pool. Woo! Whoa, you made a huge splash. Ah! Yeah. No. Okay, so it's getting dark. Do you want to go and camp? Roast some marshmallows? Okay. Come on. Oh, I'm so cold. Let's put some new clothes on. Let's put these back and put these in my bag. Okay, I'm gonna get a marshmallow. And you're gonna get a marshmallow as well, Princess. Let's roast some marshmallows. They're heating up. Mmm, so yummy. I love marshmallows. They're the best. Let's just drink a little bit of water. There we go. And I'm gonna set the beds out. So gooey. Oh, and now I'm gonna put my little bear thing on. My little bear. Good night, Princess. Love you. Morning, Princess. Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Okay, Princess, so first, I'm gonna take my little bear thing off. And what I'm gonna do, you're gonna wear that. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ride in the woods. But first we're gonna have some breakfast. So I'm gonna get this thing and heat it up. Put it on here. There we go. A nice baguette for me, and you can have a tofu one. There you go. Nom, 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 nom. So yummy. Woo! Let's ride like the wind. Oh, hey you two. Hey.